A devastating crop invader outsmarts nature's defenses. Imagine a silent intruder that can sneak past a plant's natural defenses, disarm its alarm system, and destroy entire harvests before farmers even notice something's wrong. Scientists have now uncovered how one of the world's most damaging crop diseases pulls off this trick, and their discovery could completely change how we protect the food that sustains us. Researchers from the James Hutton Institute, in collaboration with experts from the University of York and the Université Libre de Bruxelles, have found that Phytophthora infestans, the notorious microorganism that caused the Irish potato famine and still devastates potato and tomato crops worldwide, has evolved a cunning biochemical weapon. Their groundbreaking study, published in Nature Communications, reveals a family of enzymes known as AA7 oxidases that this pathogen uses to turn off plants' internal alarm systems before they can sound the alert. Here's the shocking part. These enzymes mimic the plant's own biochemical signals. In other words, the pathogen has effectively learned to speak the plant's language. According to Dr. Federico Sabardin from the University of York Centre for Novel Agricultural Products, CNAP, it's like burglars cutting the wires to your home alarm before breaking in. The microorganism cleverly attacks the same chemical messengers that plants use to coordinate their defenses, leaving them confused and vulnerable. But when scientists deactivated the genes responsible for these enzymes, the pathogen lost much of its ability to infect plants at all. The James Hutton Institute, a leading global center focused on food security and sustainable land management, highlighted that this finding could mark a turning point for agriculture. By better understanding how these AA7 enzymes work, researchers can devise new strategies to strengthen plants' immune systems, giving crops a fighting chance against future disease outbreaks. And that's not just a scientific curiosity, it's a necessity. As rising temperatures and unpredictable weather patterns driven by climate change make farms more susceptible to pests and diseases, the stability of our global food supply is under increasing threat. Every field lost to infection means fewer potatoes, fewer tomatoes, and higher prices for people around the world. But now, there's a glimmer of hope. By targeting these AA7 enzymes, scientists may be able to keep crops' defenses active and resilient, building a new generation of disease-resistant plants that can withstand a changing climate. But here's where it gets controversial. If we start genetically modifying or engineering plants to counteract pathogens using this knowledge, could that trigger new ethical or ecological challenges? Some may argue it's necessary innovation. Others might see it as risky interference with natural evolution. What do you think? Should humanity fight back with its own form of biological ingenuity, or should we look to restore natural ecosystems as the first line of defense? Share your thoughts below. The debate might shape the future of how we feed the planet.